Hello everyone. Today in this video, I will show you how to create a Gmail account without phone numbers. So let's get into the video. Step 1, open the YouTube application on your phone. Step 2, tap on Profile and tap on Add Account, then tap on plus sign. This is going to ask you to input your password. Step 3, tap on Creating an Account for Me. Now enter your full name and tap on Next. Then fill up your date of birth and choose the gender, and tap on Next. Step 4. Now create a Gmail address that is easy to remember for you and tap on Next. Then create a strong password mixing letters, numbers, and symbols. Then tap on Next icon again. Step 4. Now you can add your phone number if you wish to, but the goal of this video is to show you creating a Gmail account without using a phone number. So you can tap on Skip simply if you don't want to use phone numbers and tap on Next. Now, agree on the privacy and terms by tapping on I agree. Now you guys have successfully created a Gmail without using a phone number. You can try opening Gmail and try checking. It should be working perfectly fine without any errors. Remember, creation of this process works in the YouTube app only. You won't be able to skip phone numbers and use Gmail using any other method out there. Also, you won't be able to create unlimited Gmail with this process, but you can reset or clear the YouTube data and try again. Also, I would recommend using an emulator like BlueStack and resetting the emulator and installing the YouTube app again and creating Gmail. In this way, you can create an unlimited Gmail account without any phone number. Well, I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it is, make sure to smash those like buttons and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.